Hello, my name is Vane Gisselle and welcome to my channel. I will be posting a Vlogmas episode every day this month, so subscribe and click the bell for future notifications so you don't miss any videos this month. If you liked this video, go ahead and click the like button and share it on your social medias with your friends and family. This is Vlogmas Day 10, December 10th. Welcome to today's video. I've snuck into a hotel, a Boujee hotel, and no one knows. Let's take this golf cart for a ride. Ooh, there's a party. Oh my gosh, I heard something. Did you guys hear that? Oh dang, fire.
Yeah, this is okay, but I think I prefer the Java chip.
Oh wow. Oh, you like Java chip too?
Yeah.
That was my drink. Yeah, it looks so pretty. How many Christmas trees can be in one room? 3 already. Dang, 4 Christmas trees.
It sounds like there's a party down there. Do you want to go see?
Yeah, let's go crush a party. Oh, I think it's over there.
Hey, are you close? No, not quite yet. If you make your way straight ahead to the front of the restaurant, I'll also get your seat. Thank you so much. Yeah, so I guess this is like the back door.
We walked into the back end.
I think it was like buffet.
I think it was like an Italian, right?
Yeah. This one's really good. Oh, look, there's a private room. No. They close.
In 25
And
minutes.
yeah. You're tired? Let's take this golf cart for a ride.
No, I'm not crazy enough.
Thank you for watching and see you back tomorrow.